what's going on, guys? So I did a video last year about tank sizes, and I got three tank sizes for you guys. I got a 55, a 75, and a 125. Those are your top three common sizes in fish tanks. Now, starting off, you're going to notice between the 55, 75, and 125, some of the numbers are going to repeat themselves a little bit, and you're going to wonder, oh, okay. A lot of these tanks have the same dimensions, they're just a little bit different. Now, let's start off with your 55. 55 is easy. That is a tank that is 48 inches long by 12 inches wide by 21 inches tall. Yes, I wrote this down because I know it by heart, but I want to make sure I get it because people like to, say things. Now, let's go with your 75 gallon. Now, you might notice some numbers. A 75 gallon is just like a 55 gallon. It's still 48 inches long, but instead of it being 12 inches wide, a 75 is 18 inches wide by 21 tall. They're the same number, just the 55 and the 75. The 75 is 18 inches wide instead of 12. They're the same exact fish tank. One's just a little bit wider. They're both 48 inches. But when you get to the 125, this is when things get a little tricky. Now, the 75 and the 55 are both 4-foot tanks. When you get to the 125, it's 72 inches long, which is 6 feet long. It's still 18 wide and 21 tall. So you see the similarities of where we're going with this, right? Literally, between the 55 and the 75 is just 18 inches instead of 12 inches. And between the 75 and the 125 are the same fish tank, just the 75 is 2 feet longer, same width and height. It's really tricky. I'm going to leave a little bit of diagrams as I'm talking, so when I go back and edit this video, I can put the dimensions of this tank, and that tank, so you can actually see it visually to where it actually helps you a little bit. But the 55, 75, 125, those are your most common sizes in aquariums, okay? So thank y'all for watching. This is going to help out the new people. A lot of people might say, well, why'd you make a video? This is so simple, it's common sense. People out there don't know this. So thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.